Today, I'm going to share with you my top teleprompting tips coming at you as a content creator. Hi, Krista here with not two fingers. The secret to all of my perfectly delivered lines is a big TV screen and a big Beamsplitter mirror. Right behind me, I have two Samsung displays. One is just a standard setup TV, not mirror flipped in any way. And then right next to it, I have the same display modified so we can use it as a teleprompter. I have my camera set up over here with the display exposed so you can see what I'm seeing through the mirror. And what the camera's seeing, actually. Okay, so I'm going to test it out reading directly from this teleprompter glass so you can see how my eyes look, am I looking straight at the camera, and then also the display quality. Alright, let's get it going. Today, I'm going to reveal to you my top tips from my experience working with teleprompters all day long. The secret to all my perfectly delivered lines is having a big display and a big Beamsplitter mirror. I don't have the time or the patience to mess with badly written teleprompter software or figuring out how to get specialized input devices to work. I'd rather spend my time creating killer content. I simply write my script in Word or PowerPoint and then just plug it into the big screen and go. This also eliminates spending any time rehearsing over and over again, making sure the scroll rate is perfect. I'm sure you can relate. With a PC, I'm able to use a variety of different input devices, of my favorite being the presenter remote, or having my cameraman simply press page down. I've heard so many stories from customers who are frustrated trying to find compatible software with their device or their teleprompter, and it's just a big mess. Oh.
Hi.
Hi, I'm James, engineer and cameraman for Teleprompter Mirror. I freaking love this system because it makes my job as a video producer and editor so much easier. I can write a fast script for Krista, and she can deliver it smoothly without missing any key information. Back to you, Krista.
Great show! When using a presidential teleprompter, you want to make sure you adjust the height so your eyes meet up with the middle of the mirror. That way, you're able to read it comfortably off the glass. Now that we have it fully set up, let me just take you through each piece. We have the mount down here that's holding the display, and that's just two parts, the display and the tray. And then we have the presidential up here. So it has the Beamsplitter glass, 16 by 16 inches, and the stand for the presidential. Now I want to show you what I see. So I'm really close, so if you were recording through the mirror, you'd be getting a nice frame of your face, or you could back up if you need to and still see the text. But check out how big that text is. Whoa, that's so easy to read. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I deliver a speech, as well as how to record through the Beamsplitter Mirror with flawless picture quality. I know you want more of this. I have more great information coming your way as a sequel to this video, so hit that subscribe button right now. Now, picture me on stage. Okay, so I've positioned it perfectly so I can see all of the text that's on the display. Today, I'm going to reveal to you my top tips from my experience working with teleprompters all day long. The secret to all of my perfectly delivered lines is to have a big display with a big Beamsplitter mirror. As you can see from my text here, when I made the video that you're watching right now, I improvise in addition to reading my lines. I don't have time or patience to mess with badly written teleprompter software or figuring out how to get specialized input devices to work. I have a lot of clients asking about multilingual teleprompters and whether or not certain software allows characters, which is a huge problem if you're using other languages. But with this setup, you can actually use any software you want. So you can write in your native language and just present it on the screen just as you see it on your laptop, which is amazing.
So you guys may be wondering, how the heck did I flip my screen in a mirror image? Let me tell you.
If you already have a TV that you just need to flip, we have a special device called the HDMI mirror box, and it flips any screen when you plug it into a laptop. All you have to do is plug in an HDMI cord and it flips it automatically. Super simple and easy to use. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your camera for recording through a presidential teleprompter. We include a special shroud to black out the backs so you get that amazing video quality straight through the glass. Alright, let's get it going. Today, I'm going to reveal to you my top tips from my experience working with teleprompters all day long. Let me take you through everything you're going to need for this setup. First, you need a large display. So you can get our display that's already pre-flipped that you can just plug right in with your HDMI cord to your laptop, or you can go with any TV that you already have that has HDMI input and simply use the HDMI mirror box. That flips any display without special software. Once you have the larger display, you'll need a presidential teleprompter, or for DIY projects, you can simply get the mirror. If you're just getting the mirror, you need to figure out what size you need. And I know this is a common problem. So to figure this out, I recommend setting up your monitor where you plan to be recording, and then grab any standard mirror that you already own and adjust it, set it up like you would the presidential, and then step back where you will be standing, right? And see how much screen space you really need. And then outline that on the mirror, and you'll be able to figure out exactly how big the mirror needs to be to see the entire screen. Once you have the presidential teleprompter, which is basically the glass, and a way to mount that glass so it's standing up, and the monitor, you need camera equipment if you're recording through the glass. So I recommend getting a tripod and a DSLR camera to put separately behind the mirror, along with a black shroud to black out all those extra reflections that are coming in from the room. This will give you that flawless display quality coming through, so your videos look amazing. They don't even look like you're actually recording through anything. It's like recording through thin air. Let me tell you a few other reasons why I love this setup. The monitor itself that we're using is high contrast, so it's easy to read the text on the screen, and the font size is completely adjustable because you can use any software, and pretty much every software allows you to make the font bigger, like Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. So that's just amazing. So you could be at any distance. So I love it also because you can be further away from your teleprompter and your camera, so you can get more range of motion. You can capture your body language and see you can make better videos from being further away. Another interesting feature about using a larger display with a larger mirror is that you can actually put your camera further away from the mirror and still be able to record through without capturing the edges of the teleprompter in your video. I know, I didn't think about that either until someone actually commented on that as a problem. User error. What? With this setup, you don't have to feel rushed. You can simply look further down on your teleprompter and read your next lines without feeling like everything's just going to disappear. So you can relax and read more comfortably using a larger display. You could even hook up a foot pedal if you wanted to still scroll on your teleprompter without using your hands. So you could be giving that nice body language and still scroll very discreetly. The main reason people are using teleprompters is to eliminate mistakes while recording, so you can make videos faster and easier without having to re-record and do double takes over and over again. But most teleprompters actually do the opposite for you. Because the screen's so small, you're so stressed out as you're reading that you're going to miss something, and it actually creates more mistakes than it would if you just memorized your lines. For that reason, I like the larger area so I don't feel rushed and I can slow down, make less mistakes, and be more precise with what I'm recording. By the way, if you are loving this video and the information that I'm including here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the sequel where I go in depth with even more tips and tricks on teleprompting. Okay guys, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below with any questions you have and I will be there to answer them right away. By the way, if you want to check out our products, i.e. get this display, the presidential, executive, anything that I've shown you in this video, go to our website, telepromptermirror.com. By the way, I'm Krista, adventure videographer and gadget guru, and I'm Audi 5000. But should I do that? Till next time.